Today, we're diving into one of the biggest questions in retirement planning. Which is better, a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA? Stick around, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one might be the best fit for you. So, what's a traditional IRA? In simple terms, it's a retirement account where you can contribute pre-tax dollars. That means the money you put into this account might give you a tax deduction today, lowering your taxable income. Nice, right? Then that money grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay any taxes until you take it out in retirement. However, when you do retire and start taking the money out, you'll pay taxes on whatever you withdraw, like regular income. So you get the tax benefit now, but you'll pay the piper later. Now let's talk about the Roth IRA. It works a little differently. With a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax dollars. That means you don't get a tax break up front, but here's the exciting part: your money grows tax-free. And when you retire, you can withdraw it tax-free. So while you're paying taxes now, the payoff comes later when you retire and don't have to pay a single cent of tax on your withdrawals. All right, let's compare these two side by side to help you decide which is better for your situation. First off, taxes. With a traditional IRA, you get the tax break today but pay taxes in retirement. With a Roth IRA, you pay the taxes today, but you enjoy tax-free withdrawals later. Next, let's talk about required minimum distributions, or RMDs. With a traditional IRA, once you hit 73, the IRS forces you to start taking money out, whether you need it or not. With a Roth IRA, there are no RMDs while you're alive, so your money can just keep growing and growing. Finally, we have income limits. Anyone with earned income can contribute to a traditional IRA, but your ability to deduct the contribution might phase out if you're covered by a retirement plan at work. For Roth IRAs, though, there are strict income limits. If you make over $153,000 as a single filer or $228,000 as a married couple in 2024, you're out of luck for direct contributions. So, which one is better? The answer depends on your personal situation. Let's walk through a couple of examples to make this clearer. Meet Sarah. She's 40 years old, earns $70,000 a year, and she's looking for a tax break today. By contributing $6,500 to her traditional IRA, she can lower her taxable income, which reduces her tax bill this year. That's money in her pocket now. In retirement, Sarah expects to be in a lower tax bracket, meaning she's likely to pay less in taxes on her withdrawals. Now meet John. He's 30 years old and he expects his income to grow over time. John wants to lock in today's tax rates and avoid worrying about future taxes. By contributing to a Roth IRA, John pays taxes now, but when he retires, he won't pay a dime on his withdrawals. For someone like John, who expects to be in a higher tax bracket when he retires, the Roth IRA can make a lot of sense. To help you decide, ask yourself a few questions. Do you want a tax deduction now or tax-free income later? Do you expect to be in a higher or lower tax bracket in retirement? Do you need flexibility with no required minimum distributions? Do you want to maximize your tax savings today? Here are some other factors to consider. Age can also be a big factor. If you're younger, say in your 20s or 30s, you might benefit more from a Roth IRA because your money has more time to grow tax-free. On the flip side, if you're closer to retirement and want that tax break now, a traditional IRA could be a better option. At the end of the day, both a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA are fantastic tools to help you save for retirement. The best choice really depends on your situation, whether you want the tax break now or later, and where you see yourself in retirement. Remember, it's not an all or nothing choice. You can even have both types of accounts if that suits your goals. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment below letting me know if you're Team Traditional IRA or Team Roth IRA.